A lot of people enter fashion school expecting to be prepared for the industry. They expect that once they graduate, they'll understand how things work. But when they step into the real environment, there's a gap because fashion school teaches design, it teaches concept, presentation, development, but the industry runs on something else: production, sales, distribution, and how all of those pieces connect. That's where the disconnect happens. You can graduate with strong ideas and still not understand how a product actually moves, how it gets priced, how it gets sold, or what happens after it's made. And that's not always obvious at first because in school the focus is on creating. In the industry, the focus is on moving product. Those are two different realities, and most people don't realize that until they're already trying to find their place. This isn't about whether fashion school is good or bad. It's about understanding what it does and what it doesn't do. Because once you see that clearly, you can start filling in the gaps. And that's what actually prepares you to move inside the industry.